All right, guys, we got an off-road beast, 2007 Lexus GX470 V8 beast. Look at that. Got a snorkel, got everything on it. He's got it all the way to the hood in water before. You guys can see that. Still runs like a beast, like nothing happened. There's that huge winch. Look at this undercarriage cover. Solid metal. Can withstand just about anything. So much fun. Anyways, you guys can't see the exhaust, but it's under there. There's cats and stuff under there, okay? See the cats? Then it wires into a single. Then what we did, he wanted a little bit of sound, nothing crazy. So we went ahead and put a CARVEN TR performance muffler. Part number right there. There'll be a link in the description for it. Right there. We always have to add pipe to it to make it fit. Because it's not really that big. It's as big as my hand. Like, it's about 12 inches long, 15 inches long. All right? Right there. My hand's not 15 inches, by the way. But anyways, and then it goes over the rear end. We kept the resonator on it and kept the stock tailpipe out the back. Because all he wanted was about 30% worth of sound. He wanted more performance than anything. So that's what we offered. And the muffler that was on it is right here. We cut it off and go end single out. Look at this thing. It's triple the size of what we just put on it right there. So it looks better. It's cool. I like it. It's a different look completely. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And like Jared always says, hit that notification bell. And if you guys don't know, we are in Nashville, Tennessee. All right, good. You wanted 30%, so I gave you 30%, you know?
I mean, 30% on the dot, dude.
Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 97.1. Let it idle. And idle, it's quiet. So when you start it in the morning or anything, it doesn't. Yeah, but if you want it louder, take that resonator out next.
Yeah. That's real good.
Again. There's another rock coming off. Go ahead and back it up. Good looking Lexus. Look at that thing. I like it. Perfect. Let us know what you guys, should he make it louder or keep it like that? I think he should keep it like that. I think it sounds perfect for this car. It's still a Lexus at the end of the day. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Lexus GX470 with a CARVEN TR muffler. Stock resonator, stock tailpipe, stock cats. CARVEN TR muffler swap. Ah, perfect. That's about 30% louder. I like it. Enjoy, guys.